Hey girls, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Chloe, and with the warm seasons coming in real soon, today I thought we could talk about the hottest fashion trends for spring and summer 2024. You liked the video I did a couple months ago about winter fashion trends, so I thought I would do another one like this. Whether you're hitting the streets, heading to the office, or attending a special event, my focus today will be on trends that you can wear every day and give you some easy tips on how you can style them. So without further ado, here is my top 10 wearable fashion trends for spring and summer, plus an extra special one at the end that the millennial in me cannot get over, so please stay until the end to let me know what you think about this one. First up, floral is a classic that comebacks every spring, but this year we're gonna see roses and rosettes blooming everywhere. From delicate rose patterns to bold rosette embellishments, this trend definitely adds a touch of romance to any outfit. I saw this in a lot of dresses with a nice floral pattern all over, or big bold rosette on the top part. These are definitely perfect to make a statement, but you can also easily incorporate these trends into your everyday wardrobe by opting for pieces that feature these feminine details but tone down a little bit. For example, pair a rosette blouse with denim jeans for a casual yet chic look, or choose a floral midi skirt with a simple top for a feminine and elegant look. Next on the list is see-through clothing that's perfect for those warm spring and summer days. Here we're talking about sheer tops, lace pieces, crochet dresses, anything that let your skin peek through really. You can definitely wear those pieces just as is if you're bold enough, but what's interesting with this trend is it allows you to play with layers and textures to create visually stunning outfits. You can try layering a tube top over a sheer blouse, or wear biker shorts under a lace skirt. That way you're still exposing skin without feeling completely naked. At the end, for this trend, the key is to have fun and mix and match different fabrics and patterns to add depth and uniqueness to your look. Denim, a timeless classic that never goes out of style, and this season, denim is making a statement with all sorts of unique and trendy pieces like overall, dresses, fun tops, and more. Whether you're a fan of the 90s inspired overall trend or prefer a chic denim dress or even the double denim look, there's something for everyone. And I love how easily you can dress denim up or down. Like, you can keep it casual with a denim jumpsuit, a tee and sneakers, or dress it up with trousers, heels, and a classy denim top for a night out. The versatility of denim makes it a must-have in any wardrobe. White dresses aren't just for brides or brides-to-be anymore, because bridal style is here this season. I couldn't be happier about this trend personally, because I love wearing all white looks. The easiest way to wear this trend is simply by wearing the color white, like a flowy dress, maxi, mini, or midi, but the bridal aesthetic also means embracing your inner romantic and feminine side with details like lace accents, ruffles, floral design, elegant pieces, things like that. And it's so easy to go from day to night with a white dress. You can simply pair it with sandals and a straw hat for a casual look, and elevate it with heels and statement accessories for the night. This trend is pretty broad, so don't be afraid to experiment and make it your own. Continuing with another favorite of mine, be prepared to channel your inner Blair Waldorf with the preppy trend that's making a comeback this season. Think crisp color tops, polo shirts, pleated skirts, and tailored blazers, pretty much reminding us of the old money, quiet luxury trend that was huge last year, but a little bit less modest. Whether you're headed to the office or meeting friends for brunch, this sophisticated style is sure to turn heads. Pair a colored blouse with a mini pleated skirt for a timeless and classic preppy look, or you can have more fun with it and layer a blazer over a polo shirt and a midi skirt for a more modern twist. And of course, don't forget to finish off the look with classic accessories like pearls, loafers, or headbands for the ultimate preppy vibe. The next one is for all my girls who are not afraid to go a little bit more out there, leopard print. We saw this coming along with the mob wife aesthetic trend that blew up on social media this winter, basically releasing your baddie girl boss side. This one is honestly all about confidence and attitude, so don't be afraid to embrace your fierce side and go for it. For spring and summer, you can go all in and rock a leopard print dress with heels or boots, but if you want to tone it down a little, I saw super cute leopard print pieces that you can easily put on to add a little pop to your outfit, like a cardigan or a light jacket, for example. Office looks are not just for the office now, because the business casual trend has arrived. Blazers and trousers were already quite trendy for a while now, but we most often saw them styled more casually or separately, and now we're going for the full suit look. However, we're still keeping a little casual vibe with oversized pieces or mixing casual pieces into the look like a t-shirt or sneakers. So I think it's a great mix to look professional and put together, yet still wearable to go out every day. Another way to wear this style that's a little bit more trendy and casual is to go for matching sets. I saw so many cute sets with shorts or a skirt and a blazer, and it's a fun way to mix business with pleasure. This next trend will definitely make you shine and get you noticed: metallics. For me, it's kinda giving futuristic glamour fashion. From shimmering dresses to metallic accessories, this trend will make you pop no matter how you wear it. If you want to fully embrace this trend, I saw a lot of metallic dresses and pants that would make a bold statement. For me personally, I don't think I'm there yet, but I would love to add a touch of shimmer to my looks with metallic sneakers or a purse, for example. I know trends like these can seem like a lot, but there's a lot of ways to wear them in a more subtle way. Now let's talk accessories. Go big or go home is the motto this season with the oversized accessories trend. From chunky statement necklaces or earrings to oversized tote bags, bigger is definitely better here. Elevate your look with bold eye-catching pieces that will add personality to any outfit. The easiest way to go for this trend, in my opinion, is to get an oversized purse, preferably in a neutral color like brown, black, or beige to match most of your outfits. Plus, what's fun and useful with this trend is we'll finally have enough space in our purse to bring everything we need for the day, including snacks. And finally, you can say goodbye to sky-high stilettos and hello to comfort and style with the return of kitten heels, ballet flats, and Mary Jane. It's funny because I clearly remember when these were on trend when I was young, like in middle school and high school, and now they're making a comeback when I'm in my 30s. The difference this time around though is we're gonna see these shoes a lot more paired with socks. I honestly love this more casual vibe, and you can wear these with a lot of things. Pair kitten heels with cropped trousers for a chic office look, for example, or wear ballet flats with a floral dress to be cute and girly. And now for that last little extra I wanted to talk about that I still cannot believe is coming back: the side part. So it's not really a fashion trend, more a hairstyle trend, but still, I could not get over this as a millennial. That's why I thought it was worth mentioning today. We had this hairstyle for years before Gen Zs decided that the middle part was the new cool thing, and now it's flipping back. We saw side parts a lot on various high fashion runways, and really makes me want to go back to it, but I don't know, I kind of really like curtain bangs too now. So yeah, what do you think about this? Let me know in the comments if you're gonna try it out or go back to a side part if you had one before. And there you have it, my top 10 wearable spring and summer fashion trends for 2024. What do you think? Love them? Hate them? Which one will you wear? Thank you so much for watching and being here today. I hope you like these kinds of videos as I really enjoy doing them, so give it a thumbs up to let me know. I'm also preparing a spring lookbook that's gonna be on my channel soon, featuring super cute everyday outfits, so make sure to subscribe to not miss it. In the meantime, I wish you a great week and I will see you real soon. Bye loves!